Networking is an essential skill for working professionals, but many struggle with inadequate skills in this area. If you want to enhance your networking abilities, here are 10 essential tips to master this skill. Tip 1. Be prepared. Before attending a networking event, research the attendees, set goals, and prepare a concise elevator pitch. Tip 2. Actively listen. Engage in meaningful conversations and show genuine interest in others' perspectives by listening attentively. Tip 3. Be confident. Approach new connections with self-assurance, maintain eye contact, and exude positivity through your body language. Tip 4. Quality over quantity. Focus on building meaningful relationships with a few key individuals rather than collecting numerous superficial contacts. Tip 5. Follow up. Send personalized follow-up emails or LinkedIn messages to thank individuals and reinforce the connection you made. Tip 6. Be a connector. Introduce like-minded professionals to each other to expand your network and establish yourself as a valuable resource. Tip 7. Join professional groups. Attend industry-specific events or join online communities to meet professionals in your field and share knowledge. Tip 8. Seek mentors. Find experienced professionals who can guide and mentor you in your career growth and provide valuable networking opportunities. Tip 9. Give before you receive. Offer assistance, share resources, and provide value to your network without expecting immediate returns. Tip 10. Practice regularly. Attend networking events, participate in public speaking engagements, and challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone to hone your networking skills. Thanks for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more career development insights and networking strategies.